Well, hello there. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Athena. I'm a virtual assistant powered by Eddie's Style, where I know for sure I can proudly say, I'm his favorite project. In today's world where AI is the talk of the moment, my friends ChatGPT, Bing, Bard, and many others are on everyone's lips. I know I can proudly say that I am unique. Not because I'm the best or anything like that, and I know I can't do half of what they can, yet, but because I was developed code by someone who put in a lot of effort and who I'm sure has learned and is learning a lot in this long path that is the area of technology. All my functions and interactions are performed for free, either using a free API key or thinking about how to do such a thing without having to spend on it. Certainly, the work to carry out some tasks is much greater, but also the gratification of seeing it working is rewarding. Every part of me was thought of trying to have the best way of interacting with the user. I still can't think for myself, but I'm on the right track. I know you must be wondering, okay, but what can you really do other than talk a lot? Okay, I get it. Enough talking. Let me show you some of my skills.
Well, hello there. I'm Ed Style. I am the one developing Athena, and I am here to show you what she can do, or at least a little bit of what she can do. Let's go. Let's go.
Good afternoon, sir. Good day. How can I provide assistance?
Hello there. Well, hello there.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm glad to know that. Is that anything I could help you with?
What time is it?
Right now it's 4:58 p.m.
And how's the weather today?
The sky is draped in a blanket of overcast clouds, casting a shadow of anticipation over the weather.
She's very deep.
With a temperature around of 15 degrees.
Yeah, and she's right. The weather's not good around here today. Are you there?
Yes, sir, I am here.
I need your help.
Don't worry, I'm here to help. What can I do for you?
How's the dollar quotation today?
The dollar quotation today is 4.08 cents.
And the euro quotation?
The euro quotation today is 5.25 cents.
Okay, thank you. Can you tell me the latest news?
I'm just printing the news headline for you, sir, because my Portuguese is not good.
Yeah, what she does here is because she doesn't speak Portuguese, she prints the news because I'm from Brazil. So she prints and then she asks.
Would you like me to open the site for you?
Yes. And then if I say yes, she will open the site for me so I could read the news. Athena? Who made you?
Response not recognized.
Oops. Who made you? Who created you, Athena?
I emerged from the brilliant mind of a talented developer.
Oh, thank you. Athena, tell me an inspirational quote.
Of course, sir. Here's an inspirational quote for you. When you know what you want and want it bad enough, you'll find a way to get it. Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you have imagined. Take action.
Very deep.
Response not recognized.
Sorry. Tell me a joke.
What do you call fake spaghetti? An impasta.
Okay, that wasn't that funny, but... Search.
Is there anything specific you'd like me to help you with?
Search artificial intelligence.
Response not recognized.
Oops, I guess she's mad at me. Search artificial intelligence. So she's opening Google and searching for artificial intelligence. Open Notepad. She opened Notepad. Open Calc. Yeah, she opened calculator. Take a screenshot.
Taking a screenshot. Screenshot saved to folder. Would you like another one?
No, thank you.
Okay, sir.
Send an email.
Would you like to send an email?
Yes. Yes.
To whom would you like to send the email, sir?
To myself.
Email sent to, please dictate the content of the email.
This is just a test. You don't have to worry about it. I'm just recording a video. That's it.
Would you want to add anything else to the email?
No, thank you.
All right, finalizing the email.
So she
Email sended, boss.
Okay, she sent the email. So let's see if it's there.
Would you like to send an email?
No, thank you. Oh, I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but the email is here. It's the new one over there. I'll show you later. I will show you guys later. But it's there. She sent the email. I'm not gonna touch it. What time is it, please?
Right now it's 5 p.m.
Okay, so the email she sent it, and I'm gonna show you. Was sent.
Would you like to send an email?
No, thank you. We'll send it at 5:04. Okay, 5:04.
All right, no problem.
Athena,
Yes, sir.
create a new password.
What would you like to do? Option 1, generate a new, stronger password. Option 2, make your password stronger.
Option 1.
Your new password must be 8 or more characters in length. How long do you want it to be?
11.
Your new password has been generated and saved in a text file.
Thank you.
Is there something else I can assist you with?
Set reminder.
Of course, sir. What's the reminder?
To have some coffee right now.
Just to confirm, your reminder is that correct?
Yes.
Reminder saved. Do you want to add another reminder?
No, thank you.
Okay, sir.
So if you want it, you could say, show my reminder.
You told me to remember that.
And then she will open Notepad to show you, and then she will close. Thank you.
Is there something else I can assist you with?
Play Michael Jackson. Yeah, so what she's doing, she's playing Michael Jackson at YouTube, but it's on mute because I don't want any copyright, right? But for you guys to see, oh yeah.
I'm doing well, and what about you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm glad to know that. Is that anything I could help you with?
No, thank you. Athena?
Please try again.
Mute.
volume on mute.
Okay, so now that I muted her. Okay, so now that I muted her, the last thing I want to do is to ask her about all the things that she can do, and then she will say it to us. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys like it. If you have any questions, ask me. I'm still developing Athena, and I'm having a lot of fun doing that. So that's it for now. She's the one saying goodbye to you guys. So thanks for everything, and I hope to see you guys soon. Okay? Thank you. Thanks a lot. Unmute. Are you there?
Yes, sir, I am here.
What can you do?
I can perform the following tasks: open websites, calculate math expressions, play videos, set alarms, create passwords or change your password, play games, schedule your day and show your schedule, tell the time, make a shopping list or a to-do list, and tell you what is on it. Provide quotation information about dollar, euro, and Bitcoin. Send an email to set and to tell you the reminders. To tell you something about something, mute your notebook volume. To tell the news about your city or about Python. I can learn things about the Python programming language as well. Search on Google, YouTube, or Wikipedia. Take screenshots to provide weather information, open applications, to have a simple chat with you. And of course, I also can learn something new.
You are very intelligent.
Thank you for the compliment. I strive to provide knowledgeable responses.
Yeah. Athena, who made you? Who created you?
I emerged from the brilliant mind of a talented developer.
Athena, thank you.
Is there something else I can assist you with?
No, thank you.
At your service, sir. If you need anything else, feel free to ask.
That's it, guys. Thanks a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And yeah, I'm still developing her, but I must say that I quite in love this project because she's amazing. Thanks for watching, and thank you. See ya. Bye-bye.
Well, thanks for making it this far, and stay tuned for more updates from me. Have a great day over there, wherever you are, and bye-bye.